What you're looking at is a full AI generated dark fantasy short film, a dark princess, a terrifying monster, and a plot twist. And I made the whole thing under 2 hours, using a free tool on my laptop with no actor, no camera crew, no animation degree, just me, one photo, and Seedance 2.0. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step, so you can also make your own. Here is the idea I actually had. I wanted to make a short film, like a proper story with a beginning, a twist, and an emotional ending. I'm using only AI tools. Okay, so the story I picked was about a black adopted princess who is being haunted by a massive terrifying monster in a dark fantasy world. For the twist, this is the part I love. Okay, the monster actually turns out to be her adopted mother in disguise, which is heartbreaking, and the princess actually walks away in the fact that the lady in question was her mother. Okay, now to actually pull this off, I made use of 2 tools. First, GPT Image tool on Visual GPT, where I actually generated my character reference from a photo of myself, and the second is actually Seedance 2.0, which you can access at smk.com to turn that character into a full moving film, same by same. Okay, so step 1, before I generate any video, I need a consistent character reference. So that's my princess. I am going to take a selfie or a headshot photo of myself and use GPT Image tool to transform it into a dark fantasy illustrated character that I can then feed into Seedance 2.0. So head over to visualgpt.io image editor. It's completely free, no sign up actually required. Okay, so upload your photo here. Then in the prompt box, I'm going to type exactly this prompt: transform this person into a dark fantasy illustrated princess in graphic novel painterly style. So this is the whole prompt I'm actually going to use. Then you want to hit generate and watch what happens next. Alright, so just look at that. That's my character. That is the princess. Okay, now important step, you want to save this image, so you are going to actually upload it as your reference character in every single Seedance 2.0 scene. So that's how you keep your face and design consistent throughout your whole film. So 1 image, 5 scenes. So let's actually build our movie. Now you want to head over to smk.com. Make sure you have actually selected Seedance 2.0 as your model, not 1.5 Pro. Okay, so here's my workflow for each scene. I actually uploaded my princess reference image. I selected 15 seconds as my duration, and I paste in the same prompt here. Okay, so let me just walk you through all 5 scenes. So for the scene 1, we have the situation whereby the princess is in the custom forest. So this is the prompt I used. Okay, and we also have the scene 2 prompt here, where the monster actually appears. Okay, so we need the monster to actually feel genuinely threatening, big, ancient, and unstoppable. Okay, but we also want the character, not to be scared, so she doesn't run even when the monster actually appears. Okay, so that's the character I needed for my scene. And we also have scene 3, the fight scene. So this is where the editor gets really interesting, because Seedance 2.0 actually handles the motion beautifully. The slow motion moment in the middle of the fight, that actually happens naturally from the prompt. Okay, so for the scene 4, which is actually the reveal, this is where everything gets really emotional. Okay, so this is actually what everything actually been building to this moment. Okay, so for the older woman character, you can either use Seedance 2.0 text description to generate her, or you create a second reference image in GPT Image tool. The text prompt alone usually works well. for this review scene, since she's only appears for one scene. Okay, so we're just actually going to be keeping this scene emotional. So we're going to be moving to the scene 5, where the princess actually walks away. Okay, and this is actually the ending. She doesn't run, she doesn't cry on the screen, and she just walks away into whatever actually comes next. Okay, so this is actually going to be done in a slow crank up, okay, at the end, which actually gives this scene a cinematic and film ending. Okay, so Seedance 2.0 some camera is actually great, and it actually handles this prompt instruction reliably. Okay, so here we have the full film assembled in order, so just watch this.
But I will not let you take another innocent soul.
I have held on to you for so long. It is time to let you go. May the Lord watch between me and you while we are absent from one another.
So if you want to try this yourself, both tools are free to start. Seedance 2.0 at smk.com. You need to use the Seedance, and GPT Image 2 at Visual GPT. Okay, so I'm actually going to put both link in the description. And if you actually make something of your own, any AI short film using this method, I genuinely want to see it. Okay, so drop the word film in the comments, and I'm actually going to check it out. Okay, so if this video was actually useful to you, you want to hit subscribe. Okay, I make tutorials like this regularly on this channel. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next one.